Oh, hi guys. Just having a coffee. Just a little video on angles. How do you find angles? Well, I've got, where is it? Over there. I've got one of them little angle boxes that I bought, and do you know, it really is quite good. How accurate it is, I don't know, because I've no way of actually testing degrees and minutes, etc. But it appears to be quite good. In the absence of that, of course, you've got things like your squares, your engineer squares. I mean, I've got known ones that I know are bang on. Like that's a Raybone Chesterman, a really old one, and I know for a fact that is bang on. And then I've got one here that I'm assuming either somebody's made or I bought one, but there's no name on it or anything, so it's probably been an apprentice project or something, but that is also bang on. But some time ago I bought some in a lovely box. In fact, the best thing to do, we'll go on bench, I'll turn the camera and we'll have a look at what I'm going to show you. Okay. Right, we're back. So as I say, I've just shown these two. I did buy these some time ago in a lovely box. I thought, wow, when they came I thought, oh, that's nice. It's even foam lined. What a set. Fantastic. From the dinkiest to largest. Only one problem, not one of them is square. What a pile of junk. I've tried braining them around and all sorts to get them square, but they must be pinned or something because I couldn't move them. Yeah, disappointing, really disappointing. Because I thought how nice that they are, but they're not square. They're not square at all. They're quite a long way out. You'll probably never see that, but there's daylight at the end there. If you can see it, but there's daylight there. Yeah, not square. So in disgust, I put them up on the shelf, and that's where they've lived ever since. And unfortunately, that's where they're going to go back to. And of course, there's the other type, which that's just a cheap plastic one. Which I guess works on gravity. A slightly more expensive one, but I'd say pretty tacky. Made somewhere. Comes with a free scriber though. Is that one. The ruler's missing. I've got all the bits for it. Then of course you've got your type like this, which you can rotate and read off your scale. If you could read that, you'd be a better man than me. It's all been painted over. Again, a real cheap and nasty piece of kit. But it's an angle finder. And in a fashion, I'm no doubt it works. This is a lovely old one. It's, I don't know if you can even read it, what it says on there. I'll do a zoom pretty far in and see if you can, because I'm only looking at a little screen here. But I'll tell you what it reads. But it's very well marked up, very heavy. The ruler's out of it at the moment. And it is the L. Starrett Company Limited, Great Britain, number 490. So obviously it's a 490. Bit rusty on the bottom, needs some fettling up. and a spirit level on it, but I'd trust that probably over the other ones there. But yeah, nice thing. So there we have it. I just thought I'd bang that little bit in the video, edit it in, because I hadn't covered all ways of finding angles and using squares, etc. Okay guys, for now we'll just dump them there. So I was in Lidl and I saw this and I thought, oh, I'm a look at them. £9.99 Parkside. Comes with battery, the CR232 battery. There's one with it in a little box, a bit like the verniers that I got from Aldi. Plastic box. Put that over there. And this is it. It's actually like two 7-inch rulers, if you like, and a lock there, so you can unlock it and then rotate it, the two rollers, and on here is a digital readout. I don't know how accurate it is, I've no idea, but there's a button to press to zero it, but it seems to be pretty much zero. So I just thought I'd try it against maybe one of my squares. I'll slightly nip it so it's tight and see what we can get in way of a 90 degree. Needs nipping up some more. If I put it above, maybe I can push it down. Right. Sorry, I swore. I don't mean to swear on camera. Sorry, lads. In fact, I'll edit that out. Yeah. Absolutely bang on. 90 degrees. Let me nip it at that. It's jumped to 90.1. How good is that? Yeah. Oh no, it's moved now quite a bit. Pull it that way. Nip it up some. And push it. What I did last time. Push. It's done it again. Bang on 90. Let's take it above again and try this little one if I can get it. That's my little one. 90. Bang on 90. What a smashing little thing that is. So, how do you find angles? You go to Lidl and spend £9.99. Absolutely. On-off button and a zero button. So I suppose you could start at any angle you wanted and zero it and then say I want an extra 5 degrees or whatever. Yeah. It was recently I was doing a project and I needed actually to get it was that rare parting tool for the Myford to cut the angle of the on an eclipse blade that were tapered. That would have been really handy for doing that. And as I say, lock it up when you've done. Turn it off. Put it back in its box. Well, there was just a short video, guys. I went back to Lidl today to do some shopping for the landlady. She wanted a load of veg, making soups for herself, these slim fast things or whatever. So I bought another one for my brother-in-law, Tony. He's always buying me stuff. So Tony, there's one of them on its way to you. Free of charge. He's always buying things for me. He brought a little box the other week. It looked like that. I says, what's that? He said, it's for testing 1.5 volt batteries, little AA batteries and AAA. And you just pull 2 little clamps down beneath and clip it in and it come up with a little meter. Really good. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I know it's a bit bitty, but that's a video just to stick up on YouTube for people who want to know what stuff's like from Lidl. Aldi's same, I think it's same mech that do them and badge them up for them, I'm guessing. But how long it'll last, I don't know. I mean, the one that I did, the work zone one, I did on the Myford for the tailstock alignment, the little vernier that I cut down and clamped up, that still works all right. It's just that every time you move it, it comes on. I noticed that one did as well. When I moved it, it came on. And so you've got to remember to turn them off, otherwise battery goes flat. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you'd like to see other videos. Thank you for watching.